welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to try another experiment. This is called the elephant toothpaste. It's an amazing experiment, but it's a little dangerous and you should definitely have a glove with you, because here we are going to use hydrogen peroxide, which is 30% concentrated. That's gonna be really powerful. And also we're going to use some potassium iodide. I've purchased this from a nearby scientific lab. So what we're going to do is we're going to dilute this potassium iodide first. So before mixing our potassium iodide, I'd like to tell the materials that are required for this experiment. So first of all, we need some food coloring. This is a red food coloring and this is yellow food coloring. We need a conical flask, a borosil glass, some hydrogen peroxide that is 30% concentrated, some potassium iodide in powdered form, some shampoo for the froth, and water. So friends, now let's make a potassium iodide solution. So for this, let's first take 100 ml of water. I'm measuring it with the help of this flask. There you go, that's approximately 100 milliliters. Now let's pour it into a glass. Now our potassium iodide. Let's take a spoon. It's just like salt, though it is not. Some more. Guys, so that's the food color, because I used the spoon which was there in the food color. Let's take some more. It should be a nice solution, no lumps in between. Keep adding the potassium iodide till it stops dissolving, so that it becomes a concentrated potassium iodide solution. Now I think we should add a little bit more of our color, food color. This much will do. Guys, it looks so beautiful, this red color, and because of the chemical reaction, the water has become very cold. And now I think I should add my yellow food coloring. Some yellow food coloring. So the color has started changing already. It's become a little pinkish. Now it's become some sort of a maroon color, I think. It looks beautiful and it's really cold now due to the chemical reactions. Let's add a hydrogen peroxide into our beaker. So be careful. Right, now I'm adding my shampoo. That will do. Now let's mix it. So guys, now the time has come. I've mixed my shampoo in here, and now we're going to mix this thing, and I'm going to run for my life from here. So whoa! It looks awesome! This looks like Davi Jones from the Pirates of the Caribbean movie. And look at its head, it's just like an octopus and those tentacle shaped things. I believe you can see the vapors because it's extremely hot. And I'm not sure whether I can touch it also. So guys, now the temperature has come down. and it looks really nice, and it's perfect for brushing an elephant's teeth maybe, because we've got so much now, and it's cold now. The temperature has come down. Before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's meet in the next video. Bye.